Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arielle, and I already know what you came for. You came for the curls.
Okay, let's try this. I wish I had eyes in the back of my head. I've been working on my pride, but the rest of me cares. Every time I feel alive, it be loving me, yeah. You my sinner, don't fold like it's Vanity Fair. Every time that I be down, then I be running to you.
UNICE sent over so many goodies with this wig, but let's get to the main event. This 13x4 kinky curly lace front wig.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.
Now these curls came out the bag ready to go, but of course I'm gonna go in and do a co-wash. Any conditioner will do, but this is what I use. Now let me show you how the hairline is looking in the curls after the co-wash. You can see all that texture around the hairline. Texture not full on 4C, but it's perfect for making this wig look effortless. You can see I have a middle part. I did that before I co-washed the hair just so that it would already be set in place. My brush goes through this hair pretty easily with just one co-wash, which is just conditioner, and then you rinse it out. So what I'm going to do now is pluck a tiny little bit. I'm just trying to do enough to make the front of the hairline, the front middle, look flawless. I'm not going to worry about the sides because nobody's going to see the sides.
Trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
This is literally all I did. Part it, pluck the back, and then pluck the front. That's it. Now to define the kinky curls, I parted the hair into little sections. I work small sections at a time, spray it with water because it was starting to dry up after I was done plucking. I'm using the John Frieda leave-in conditioner. Love this stuff. I spray it all over and then I use a paddle brush to detangle. Once the hair is all detangled, I go in with I use this every time. I use this all the time. Garnier Fructis Curl Scrunch. This is what's going to give us the definition and the hold on the curls. Then I follow that up with the Denman brush and I repeat that all the way around. If you didn't care about your hair being super defined, you could definitely go in with bigger sections and that would save you some time. Now when it comes to tangling and shedding, first of all, this is kinky hair. It's going to shed. You may have some tangles. That's why I'm going through very thoroughly, just trying to wet all this hair before I define these curls, before I run the brush through it, so that I can limit the shedding and tangling.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as some.
Now I'm going to cut this lace, and I'm not going super close since it's Swiss lace. I would rather go back in later and cut more than not have enough and be stuck. Also, it's okay if you cut a couple of these hairs as long as you don't go crazy. Once I had the wig on, I could see that I needed to cut more around the ear areas and also a little bit in the front middle, which you'll see me do. Again, I'm not going to be gluing or sticking, tacking, doing anything to the sides of this wig. So I did want to have a little bit of extra lace on the side just to keep it down. I'll link all the products down below in case you are interested in anything I'm using. This is foundation, which is just going to make the color of the lace match the color of my skin. Then I'm taking some foam wrap just to lay the hair down a little bit. This is a good way to skip out on using the hot comb. And I'm also going to use this foaming wrap to adhere the wig to my head. No, it's not glue. No, it's not a permanent hold. As soon as you take the wig off, of course, you'll have to put more foam wrap to secure it again. But it's a nice temporary fix and it's not messy. And I'm only worried about the middle. The sides, we don't care about that. It's gonna be fine. A little mascara just to clean up the knots. And this is an old mascara, nothing new. Then I'm going to use some hairspray because the mascara kind of got all over my hands. So the hairspray is just going to set it in place. Once we take our wrap off, our UNICE wrap, our hair is done. These curls are ready to go. They are defined. They are juicy. This is a wig. Who said that? Who said that this was a wig? This is not a wig. You can't tell me that this is a wig. UNICE hair kinky curly 13x4. I will leave the link in the description so you can check UNICE out. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the products will be linked down below as well. I'll see you in my next video.
Been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking of myself, asking